Good morning, student. Myself, Professor Ashwini Chauthe, Assistant Professor of Department of Post Harvest Technology, and I'm going to be taught you the course title Post Harvest Technology of Horticultural Crops, course number HOR 22233, and having the credit 11. Today we are deals with the topic that is the harvesting and the methods of harvesting of fruits and vegetables. As we know, the harvesting is the very essential step in the fruits and vegetables. In earlier chapters, we are see how the maturity indices are judged for the harvesting of the fruits and vegetables. The various criteria or the signs we are judging, and after that we harvest the fruits and vegetables, and also in flower crops. Okay. First, the harvesting is one of the important operation that decide the quality as well as storage life of the produce and helps in preventing the huge losses of fruits. As we know, the maturity is the very important and the essential things before the harvesting of the fruits, because we have to harvest the produce at a correct maturity stage. Okay. If we harvest over mature fruits, the fruits going to be damaged during its transportation, during its processing. Okay, means that are not useful to human being. So that is very essential things to harvest the fruits and vegetable at its correct maturity level. Okay, the harvesting of fruits should be done at the optimum stage of maturity. Then during the harvesting operation, a high standard of field hygiene should be maintained. It should be done carefully at proper time without damaging the fruits. The harvesting operation includes the identification and the judging the maturity of the fruits, then selection of mature fruits after the detaching or the separating of the fruits from the tree, and the last is the collection of the mature fruits. This harvesting process, as we talk much more about the how to judging the maturity and the all things. After that, proper judging the maturity, we have to select the mature fruits only. Okay, and afterward the separating of the fruits from the tree by careful by using various instruments, machinery, and the tools. And after the harvesting, means after the detachment of the fruit are very carefully collected into various uplifting instruments or uplifting or the crates and the other material. Then here is the method of the harvesting. Different kind of fruits and vegetables require different methods after the harvesting. The method of harvesting are, the first is the manual harvesting, that is also called as the hand picking or the hand harvesting. And the second method is the mechanical harvesting by the or the mechanical harvesting is done by use of the a mechanical harvester or the machinery used for the harvesting purpose. In the first picture, you can see the secateurs is used to harvest the plum fruit. Okay, and in the second picture, the hand picking of the coffee berries are done. Then in the manual harvesting or the hand harvesting, harvesting is done by own hand is called as the manual harvesting or the hand harvesting. It is done in a several ways. For the harvesting purpose, we can using the ladder, back picking method, then poles or the clippers method, then harvesting by means of the cutting the knives, harvesting by means of the digging the tools. Okay. In the first picture you can see the ladder or the back picking methods, or the harvesting of the fruits like mango, your bear, fruits are harvested by the Nutan Mango Harvester, which is developed by Dr. Basab Sawant Kokon Krushi Vidyapit, Dapoli, and it is mainly used for the harvesting of the mango. In this harvesting, or the purpose of the harvesting by this instrument is to protect the fruits from by damaging or the brushing of the fruits. Okay. And second picture shows the Atul Sapota harvester. Again, it is developed by Dr. Baisab Savan Kokon Krushi Vidyapit for the harvesting of the small fruits like bear, peach, then your sapota, mainly for sapota. Okay. Then second is the mechanical harvesting. In this method, the number of mechanical devices are used for the harvesting the produce on commercial scale. In the hand picking method, there is a area of the fruits is less, or any farmer having 2 to 3 number of plant, so the harvesting can be done easily by hand picking. But in case of the orchard harvesting, means a number of or the farmer having a large area under the fruit cultivation, and the harvesting is at the same time, at that time the hand picking method is not useful, or the or commercial basis, or it is not economically beneficial. Okay, at that time we can harvest the fruits and vegetable by the use of the mechanical devices like the various harvester. Mechanical harvester are mainly used for the harvesting purpose. In this picture, you can see the harvesting of this quinoa. Okay, and that purpose the mechanical harvester is used. After the harvesting, the fruits are classified into two groups, that is the climateric fruits and the non-climateric fruits. Based on the harvesting, it's divided into two types. Let us see what is meant by climateric fruit. It's defined as the fruit that enter the climateric phase after the harvesting, that is they continue to ripen. During the ripening process, the fruits emits the ethylene along with the increased rate of respiration. These fruits are harvested hard and green, but are fully mature and ripened near consumption areas, as fully ripe fruit are too delicate to withstand transportation, even the long distance. Small dose of ethylene is used to induce the ripening process under the controlled condition of the temperature and humidity. Simply, we can define the climateric fruit, the fruit which is complete its maturity on the tree, and after the harvesting of the fruit, the ethylene evaluation rate is suddenly increases due to harvesting, and the ripening process is start. Is the basic criteria for the climateric fruits. Okay. Again, the fruit shows the dramatic increase in the rate of respiration during the ripening and will respond to ethylene for the ripening process. Then these climateric fruits are ripened suddenly due to high ethylene evaluation rate. Very good example of this climateric fruit is the apple, banana, mango, and the tomato. Okay, after the harvesting, these all fruits are suddenly going to be ripened. Okay. The next is the non-climateric fruits. Non-climateric fruits are once harvested do not ripen further. They produce very small amount of ethylene and do not respond to the ethylene treatment. Okay, means the non-climateric fruits are exactly opposite to the climateric fruits. Means after harvesting it, the fruit cannot be changed into any form. So that means we have to harvest these fruits very carefully. Means after the maturity or after the complete growth of their development, we have to harvest these non-climatic fruits. If we are harvesting immature non-climatic fruits, the fruits are going to be wasted because they cannot be ripened, because the ethylene evaluation rate of that fruit is almost zero or in small amount. Okay, there is no characteristic increase in rate of respiration or production of carbon dioxide as like climatic fruit. So the non-climatic, in which respiration shows no dramatic change and the ethylene production remains at a very low level. Okay, and which are the non-climatic fruits? Orange, mosambi, kinno, mandarin, sweet oranges, grapefruit, grape, then pomegranate, lychee, watermelon, cherry, raspberry, blackberry, strawberry, carambola, rambutan, and the cashew. These are the very good example of this non-climatic fruit. The non-climatic fruit shows the dramatic increase in the rate of respiration during ripening and do not respond to the ethylene for the ripening. Okay, means this the non-climatic fruits does not show any kind of increase in rate of respiration and the ethylene production. Okay, so there is no ethylene production, ultimately there is no ripening process, means we have to harvest the only ripened fruit. The very good example of this citrus, in this picture you can see the citrus, grapes, pineapple, and the watermelon, which are harvested after the ripening. Thank you.